Okay, picture this for a second. It's maybe a super busy Friday night, your restaurant is just packed, and bam, a main drain backs.
Oh yeah, disaster scenario.
Or maybe you run a store, you show up in the morning and the basement's flooded, all your stock ruined.
Right. These aren't just, annoying little problems. They can genuinely shut a business down.
Exactly. So today we're doing a deep dive into how professional commercial plumbing can stop these things from happening, turn potential disasters into just smooth operations.
That's it. And we're drawing from the Pacific Blue Mechanical website today. Their page, Commercial Plumbing Services in Langley. Expert Solutions really lays out why strong water systems are so critical for businesses.
Especially businesses in a busy area like Langley, right?
Definitely. It highlights the strategic side of things.
So our mission here is for you, listening, to really get why looking after your business's plumbing is, well, super important. It's not just about pipes and water.
No, it connects directly to keeping things running, saving money, and even staying safe and legal. It's really about keeping the business healthy.
Okay, so let's start basic. What is commercial plumbing? Is it just like home plumbing, but bigger?
Well, yes and no. It's definitely bigger, more complex. Think high volume water needs, specialized drainage systems, maybe industrial water heaters.
Things you wouldn't see in a house.
Exactly. Sometimes grease traps for restaurants or backflow preventers. It's kind of the hidden network that lets a business actually function, whether it's a shop, an office, or like a factory.
And getting this right, the benefits seem huge. You mentioned keeping things running.
Yeah, that's number one. Good plumbing means you avoid those awful messes like sewage smells, or worse, actual flooding that forces you to close your doors.
Which costs money every hour you're shut.
Big time. And then there's health and safety. Proper plumbing is key to meeting health codes. You're preventing water contamination, making sure waste is handled correctly. It keeps everyone's staff, customers safe.
And avoids trouble with regulations, I imagine. Fines and stuff.
Oh, absolutely. Failing inspections or violating codes can lead to serious fines, even forced closures, not to mention damaging your reputation.
Okay, so it keeps you open, keeps you safe.
Yeah.
What about the money side? You mentioned saving money.
Right. This is crucial. Fixing small problems early, like a tiny hidden leak or a dripping faucet, is way cheaper than dealing with a burst pipe or major water damage later.
So regular checkups, maintenance.
Exactly. It's proactive. Think of it like investing in your building to protect your bigger investment, which is your business itself. It stops small issues becoming massive, expensive disasters.
Makes sense. So operational continuity, health and safety, cost savings, it all adds up to keeping the business running smoothly.
Day in, day out. Without those unexpected plumbing nightmares disrupting everything, you can just focus on serving your customers.
Now, you mentioned Langley specifically. How does being in a place like Langley change things? Are there local factors?
Yeah, definitely. Businesses in Langley have to follow the British Columbia Building Code, of course, but then there are often specific local rules too.
Like city bylaws.
Right, things that might relate to water conservation or how certain industries like maybe food service have to handle their wastewater. You need someone who knows those local specifics.
Got any examples? Like real Langley businesses?
Well, the source gives good general examples. Think about a local grocery store, maybe having issues with drains in the produce area because of older pipes, or an ineffective grease trap. Getting that properly assessed and fixed by a commercial plumber doesn't just solve the clog.
It prevents future problems.
Exactly, prevents health risks, keeps things running efficiently. Or maybe a restaurant installs those water-saving taps and toilets that directly cuts their water bills each month. Plus, it's good for the environment. Local expertise makes a difference there.
And I guess finding that help locally is key, like knowing there are services right in Langley for drain cleaning, water heater fixes, emergencies.
Absolutely. Pacific Blue Mechanical, for instance, mentions 247 service with their number, 604-652-9468, which is vital for businesses facing sudden issues.
Good point. Okay, what about new stuff? Any cool tech-changing commercial plumbing?
Oh yeah, there's some neat innovation happening. We're seeing smart systems coming in, like using sensors on the pipes.
Sensors? What do?
They monitor things like water pressure, flow rate, even temperature, all in real time. So if there's a tiny leak starting or a sudden drop in pressure,
the system flags it.
Instantly. It can send an alert to your phone or sometimes even automatically shut off the water in that section to prevent major flooding. It's about getting that immediate heads up.
Wow, that sounds really useful. Proactive, like you said earlier.
It is, and it ties into sustainability too. These smart systems, along with things like high-efficiency toilets and fixtures, help businesses use less water and energy.
Which is good for the planet.
And good for the bottom line. Lower utility bills add up, so it's a win-win, really. Better for the environment, saves the business money.
Okay, so wrapping this all up, the main takeaway seems pretty clear. Looking after your business's plumbing isn't just like fixing leaks.
No, it's much more fundamental. It's a strategic move. It supports your business's stability, its financial health, and even its environmental responsibility.
Especially in a specific community like Langley, where you've got local factors to consider.
Right. It lets your business operate confidently without worrying about those hidden plumbing risks undermining everything.
So the final thought for you listening is this. How could you maybe take a closer look at your own business's plumbing today? Are you sure it's working for you and not secretly working against you?
Something to think about.
Definitely. Stay curious, everyone.